So guys, welcome to my channel and how to download motherboard driver. So first guys, you have to come on gigabyte.com. You can see www.gigabyte.com. This is officially website. Okay, then you can see here search button. So click to search button and then type your model number of your motherboard, Z890 Eagle WIFI7, then hit enter. Then click to product. Click to title of motherboard name. Then click to support. Then select your operating system, Windows 10, 11. Okay, if you have a Windows 11 and 10, so you can watch this video and install one by one. First audio, you can see this is 165. You see here downloading. Click on the download button. After downloaded, it will start at downloading. Then guys, click on this. Then just double click to this is extract tech driver. Then click to yes. Now this is extracting data to your system, ready to install. Now you can see this is driver is installing. Wait few seconds. It will close automatically, means it is done. Then it is done and close it. Chipset. So first this one and click to download. After click downloading, it will start. You can see here. So it is done. Then just single click to open. So this is guys chipset driver. So open X to double click. This is exe file and this is extracted. Then click to yes. Then guys close LAN driver. So Realtek LAN driver and click to download. Just start downloading. So it is done. Just single click to open. Double click to exe. Then guys click to yes. Then guys yes. So guys it is automatically closed, so it can be installed. Okay, VGA driver. So Intel, this is Intel VGA driver and click to download. You can click on download, it will start automatically downloading. You can see here. So guys it is installed. You can see 915 size, 915. Just single click. So double click to exe. Now this is extract to your system. click to yes. Now this is extract VGA driver, Intel VGA graphic driver to your system. No? So it is done and close. Bluetooth driver. So you can see this is simple Bluetooth driver. You just click to download. So it is done after it show on pop-up. So just double click. Then yes. Now you can see this installing driver. Then close. VLAN means Wi-Fi. So you can see this Wi-Fi driver. Just click to download. Downloaded Wi-Fi driver to open. Double click to launch. Click yes. Now you can see this is installing Realtek Wi-Fi driver. So it is done and then close. USB driver. So ITC USB driver, click to download and just single click open. Double click launch. This is extracted data driver. Yes. So then double click yes. So you can see here ITE USB connector driver installing. It is installed and then close.